Alright, so nothing new in this video. We're just going to practice the process with some equations that look a little bit different than the ones we've already seen. So again, what I recommend is pause the video, follow the process that I give you on the right-hand side, and see if you can successfully answer the question that I gave you in the middle column. So, step 1, substitute the value into the equation. So I'm going to replace a with 3. Now remember, when you have a variable and a number next to each other, like 3a, it's multiplication. So instead of writing 3 with no operation between them, I changed it from 3a to 3 times 3. Simplify using order of operations. Step 1 is grouping symbols. One of the grouping symbols is a fraction bar. So the last piece that I will evaluate on the left-hand side is the fraction bar or the division. So I'm going to look at the numerator and simplify it, and the denominator is already simplified. So in the numerator, I have multiplication and addition, and I will multiply first. Simplify again in the numerator, 9 plus 1 is 10. And then my last step is 10 divided by 5, which is 2. So I finished simplifying using order of operations. Step 3, compare my answers. Again, 2 does equal 2, so A equals 3 is a solution. One more example before the you try. This time we have variables on both sides of the equal sign, so we will need to simplify both sides simultaneously. So if you're not comfortable trying this one on your own, you can watch me. Otherwise, if you think you've got this, go ahead and pause the video. Step 1, substitute the value into the equation. Everywhere that I see an m, I will substitute 8. So I'm going to start off with 6 times 8. Again, remember when you see a variable next to a number, it means multiplication. So both sides of the equal sign, when I substitute the 8 in for m, I will add in that multiplication symbol. Simplify using order of operations. On both sides, I have multiplication and then addition or subtraction. So I'm going to start with my multiplication. 6 times 8 is 48. And on the right-hand side, 2 times 8 is 16. And my last step on the left side will be to subtract. And on the right-hand side, I will add. 48 minus 2 is 46. And 16 plus 6 is 22. So I'm done simplifying, so I'm moving on to step 3, comparing my answers. 46 does not equal 22, so m equals 8 is not a solution. And your you try problem.